I'm really excited to be here with you today as I celebrate the 1 year anniversary of North Star Solutions and Services today. And the past year has been just wonderful in the opportunities that it has afforded me. I've been able to coach and mentor technology professionals, culturally diverse technology professionals from different parts of the world. I've been able to collaborate with other like-minded solopreneurs in delivering training and workshop type programs, all virtually. So location is no constraint. I meet you where you are. And the other piece has been curating and hosting this week-long global webinar series on 4IR, the Fourth Industrial Revolution and the Future of Work. All of this work and the reception that I've been privileged to have has just encouraged me to do even more. So I'm looking forward not only just to the coming year, but to the years thereafter, to continue to partner with leaders and SMEs in this digital VUCA economy by partnering with you to provide you human-centered, growth mindset-oriented training, coaching, and consulting solutions and services. Some of my key focus areas are collaboration and agility across boundaries. So how do you build out your global teams and continue to work in agile ways that transcends boundaries, physical boundaries? How do you set up your global teams and help them become self-organizing, high-performing teams? And all of this, how do you do this virtually? How do you design inclusive experiences for not just your employees, but also your clients? So these are some areas that I'm equipped to help you with and partner with you. So I'm looking forward to doing that. So I would love to hear back from you. Look forward to speaking with you and working with you. Check us out on northstaratwork.com. We also have a LinkedIn presence. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on Twitter, Northstar_Nova. So as I celebrate the 1 year anniversary of North Star Solutions and Services, I am looking back with a lot of gratitude and humility. I'm looking forward with hopes and aspirations for partnering with even more leaders and SMEs from around the world as we together navigate this, the fourth industrial revolution and the future of work. Thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.